Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert or generate QR code in Excel or any number and any product ID or website. Just copy your any ID or any address or any name. Control C. Then go to any browser, search QR or barcode generator or QR code generator. Then search, we can see free QR code generator online. Open this site. Create QR code now. Create QR code now. You can see enter text or URL. Click here. Then Control V. Generate QR code. You can see generate QR code. Simply draw this and copy. Control C or right click mouse, copy image. Then go to Excel. Select here. Simply Control V. Hold shift then dragging.